In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix inactive conversion tracking in Google Ads. Conversion tracking is vital for understanding how effectively your advertisements are driving actions and achieving your business goals. Ensuring it's up and running smoothly is crucial, and we'll go through exactly how to troubleshoot and resolve any inactivity issues you might be facing. To begin, let's head over to the Google Ads homepage. You can easily find it by typing Google Ads into your search engine of choice and selecting the official site from the results. Once you're there, you'll see an option to sign in at the top right corner of the page. Click on that and enter your credentials to gain access to your Google Ads account. Once you're inside your dashboard, the first thing you want to do is navigate to the home page of Google Ads. You'll find a variety of options laid out, but our focus today is on fixing conversion tracking. To begin addressing conversion issues, locate the section titled Goals. Clicking on this will provide a summary of your current conversion actions and their statuses. Next, you'll see an option marked Summary. This section provides an overview of all the conversion actions in your account, highlighting those that may be inactive. It's essential to take a good look here, as the summary can quickly help identify which specific conversions need attention. Now, if you notice that some actions are indeed inactive, the following steps will guide you through creating a new conversion action to either replace or repair the faulty ones. Find and click on the Create button. This will begin the process of setting up a new conversion action. If your primary concern is ensuring all leads are captured, look specifically for the option Offline Lead Conversions. This one is particularly useful if you handle a lot of phone or in-person leads that you track separately from online activities. Further enhancing conversion tracking, you'll see an option for Google Analytics 4 properties. This option is vital if you've already integrated Google Analytics 4 with your Google Ads. It allows for a seamless sync between your analytics data and your ad campaigns, ensuring your conversion tracking is as comprehensive as possible. Finally, if you're using Google Analytics 4, GA4, you'll need to make sure the properties are correctly linked. Sometimes a simple reconnection or re-import can resolve any syncing issues between GA4 and your Google Ads. Simply select the option to reconnect or re-import and follow the prompts. This ensures that all your tracking is aligned and functional, effectively capturing and reporting conversions. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to fixing inactive conversion tracking in Google Ads. By following these steps, you should be able to restore your tracking and ensure your campaigns are yielding the insights you need to drive success. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out more tutorials for optimizing your online advertising efforts.